So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. Her name is Surya and she's from Chennai. She's 41 years of age, homemaker. And we have the angel coach Sulagna. She's from Odisha. And I was informed that once, Surya was appointed to Sulagna, the health issues she was having severe acid reflux from 3 years, which is 100% gone in less than 2 months, right? Severe knee pain from 1 year, which is 100% reversed through diet, and she feels more flexible. She was having sinus problem from 15 years. She says in 2 months, less than 2 months, 90% of the problem has been reversed. She had severe headache from 100 gas. It can be bloating, it can be anything, which is, she says, almost gone, 100% gone, not almost 100% gone. She used to have mental issues from 1 year, 100% reversed within 3 months, she says. She has low BP from more than 10 years, right? High BP is bad, low BP is dangerous. So she says 100% reversed within 2 months. She had IBS problem for more than 5 years. Now, the amazing part is when Sulagna was not a coach 6 years back, she also had the same problem, IBS, right? So maybe universe have connected you both. So she had IBS problem for 5 years, which is 100% reversed within 4 months. Acne she was having from 10 years. She says 90% of my acne problem is gone within 2 months, first 2 months. Recurrent cough and cold from 10 years, 100% reversed. Hair fall, she used to have a lot of hair fall, which she says is 100% reversed, no hair fall. She had recurrent UTI, urinary tract infection for 3 years, which is 100% reversed in the first month. Bloating, acidity, 3 years, reversed 100%. Skin issues, apart from acne, she had more skin issues, which has been reversed. She was very much overweight and she had just reduced 4 kgs and a lot of inches in 4 months. Sleep disorder in 3 years, from last 3 years, reversed 100% in 2 months. Her sleep cycle improved. Now she sleeps peacefully. She had back pain, right? Which she says it's a miracle cure for her. Body pain gone after diet and lifestyle. Body pain, back pain, she says it's the biggest miracle because she tried a lot of things. She used to feel very much fatigued, low immunity, now feels energetic, low vitamin B12. Without supplements, it's 100% normal. Reports are available for everything. Numbness gone, joint pain and problem gone, varicose veins from 6 months, which she said she was having varicose veins from 6 months. Now it's 100% gone. And she had body ache, hot flashes, bitter taste, which is 100% gone. No hot flashes, no bitter taste. And she used to say that she felt very low confidence. Now she's feeling very amazing. So first of all, congratulations to you, Surya, for adopting naturopathy, from coming from silver membership to gold membership, showing faith in naturopathy. So if you can please unmute yourself and share your journey, that how you were able to achieve these results. Yes, you are unmuted.
Yes.
Over to you.
First of all, I really thank you for the interaction call. And I also congratulate my co-participant for the journey. As you told, sir, I have a lot of multiple issues like stress, knee pain, acid reflux for a longer period. The first foremost is trauma. It is totally gone because of Sulagna. Is my personal coach is like an angel to me. She gave me a carefully guidance, like adjusting the diet and my daily routines, and she gave me more than a diet. She gave me a confident and lot of positive words. It helped me a lot.
Amazing.
A bit emotional now.
I can feel that.
I tried several medicine like Ayurvedic, Siddha, but all of them gave only temporary relief. only temporary. If I take the medicine, it will give the relief at the time.
Right.
Fortunately, I got the information about Go Nature, and I enrolled it with a clear target in my mind to get rid of my health issues. Needless to say, more than resolving issues, I also wanted to gain knowledge about overall health.
Right.
Health tips to prevent anything in future. You are giving more than confidence and towards the health. And my health coach is very kind, and she's giving me a timely diet, and she keep on following me for the diet, and she will keep on asking me whether it reversed, you are totally cured. I told some of my interesting stories, like the knee pain after the diet and everything. I don't know, I'm cured. I was jumping on my bed. My another side, my husband was shocked. Hey, you're jumping on the bed without any fear. Yes, I think I am flexible right now. Oh, that much I cured, sir. Thanks to your Go Nature team and you and my coach Angel Sulakna ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Amazing journey, Surya.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for sharing. And see, if you come like this online and tell your stories, otherwise the world is obsessed of eating medicines and supplements. They usually don't believe that these things can be reversed. So thank you so much for coming up. It's very important. Let's come to the angel coach, Sulagna. Sulagna, if you can just unmute yourself and please explain how has been the journey. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah. So first of all, thank you, Vishal, for giving me this opportunity to work with Surya, and thank you, Surya, for coming to Hall of Fame, and thank you for that. And about me, I'm with Go Nature since last 5 to 6 years, and working with Vishal, solving interesting cases. And I have done my advanced yoga from Munger School of Yoga. And yes, Vishal correctly said those were the health challenges that she was facing earlier. And the best part about her is her dedication and her consistency. She is also a nature lover. The most challenging part that we were facing was she lost her son last year due to neuroblastoma, and every time it was a rare type of cancer. Her younger son, and every time I was talking to her, she was bursting out of tears, and that was the most challenging part. And she was going through a lot of stress and a lot of depression, and it was the toughest part of her life, I would say. And she was having her health challenges as well. And if a person is mentally stable, then it'll be easier for her or anyone to focus on her life or anything else. But when somebody is mentally unstable, it's really difficult for to follow anything, diet or whatever it is in life. So in her case, it is a similar situation. As we all know that disease manifests in mental level first, and then it comes to the physical level, right? So it took me a lot of time and lot of sessions to bring her to her normal state of mind. I used to send her spiritual videos and motivational videos and make sure that she follows all of them. I mean, she completes all the videos. And once she was mentally stable, we started the diet plan. And when we started the diet plan, she was in a stable state of mind, and the other challenging part was she was hopeless and worried about her health challenges. She used to ask me like, ma'am, will I be able to reverse my challenges? Then when she started her diet plan, when I saw her consistency and resilience 100%, I committed her that yes, you'll be able to reverse all the diseases. So don't worry. And from there, her journey started actually. And she was very positive, and whatever I said, whatever I told her to do, she did everything diligently.
That's the key. So
and I would like to bring two important things. Like one is, when she was on vacation, she said she was on vacation with her family, yes, and she said that she also had outside food and hotel food. As we know, during travel we take outside food. And she said, ma'am, my gut is completely fine now, and I'm not facing any gut issues. And then she said that there is like knee, as she mentioned also, she was having this knee pain, and that was a major health issue as well, severe knee pain. And she said miraculously it got healed. So I told her, when you'll be mentally healed, everything will follow. I mean, things will be fine. And then so this is all about her. So
Beautiful,
here
beautiful.
I would like to, so here I would like to give a message to everyone who are present in this room, that health is everything. Health is wealth. Health is happiness.
Yes.
So if she can do, everybody here in this room can also do. So I would like to thank Surya for her amazing journey and her dedication, efforts, believing us, believing naturopathy. And thank you, Vishal, for giving me this interesting, challenging.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Surya, and thank you. God bless you. More power to you.
Thank you.
And my prayers, and wherever your son is, he is watching you. He is always with you. Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. And Sulagna, the 6 month journey is yet over, but Sulagna is always with you. I am always with you.
The 6 month journey is not over, Vishal. It is like fifth month is going on.
After 6 months भी आप सूर्य को जाना मत देना, बोलो सूर्य जी हमें कम से कम 15-20 लोग चाहिए आपसे जिनको हम ठीक कर पाए. बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much everybody. Just type MPTY. More power to both of them. What a beautiful journey, isn't it? Amazing.